Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can find out Xcode and Swift version in your MacBook. Okay, let's see. So when you open Xcode, any project, on top left you have a left navigator. This navigator has several tabs. The first one on the left side here, when you click, then you will have list of your projects, files and directory. When you select on top first one, actually on the project, here at the middle you have details of the project. So you will go to build setting. In search you type Swift and then scroll down, and here you will see Swift language version. Even you can change it, and between 3 and 4. Also, if you like to know what's your Xcode version, it's easy, just Xcode about, you will have your Xcode version. Just I tell you something about when you have a project running. Here you will have details of memory and CPU usage by your app. Good to know. Okay, that's it for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching us. Have a great one.